So we recently passed 5,000 subscribers on this channel, and I'm super excited about it. So I wanted to do a little video dedicated to this milestone. And if we haven't met, my name is Darren, and I teach people just like you how to make no-code apps with a tool called Thunkable. But if we have met and you've been here for a long time, if you've been here for the year and a half that I've been making videos so far, I just really want to say thank you for joining, thank you for subscribing. And today I wanted to feature an app that I'm going to be building over the next few videos that shows you and I, or kind of reveals the data of what are your most liked videos of mine on YouTube. So let me show you something real quick. So if we look here on my YouTube channel, you can come to my videos tab here, and you can actually sort by most popular and then the date added. You can look at my oldest videos. There's an option here for most popular. First, I was like, oh, these are the videos that people like the most. But what I found is that this is actually the most viewed videos. So if you come down, these are actually sorted by the most viewed. But I had the question, what are my most liked videos? And of course I can go into my little admin for my channel, my YouTube studio, and find this out. But you know, that's not as fun as actually doing what we're going to be doing in this app that I made, which is using the YouTube API to actually dig into their data directly and find these most liked videos. Alrighty, so this is it. All it is, it's very basic in that it lists the top 10 of my most liked videos in order, and this is done through going out to the YouTube API, grabbing all of my video data, looking at the video likes, the ones that you have liked, and then sorting those in order. So what I thought would be fun in this video is just to kind of talk about the videos that you've liked the most, and just kind of talk about the future. And in the next few videos, I'll show you how I made this app, because I think it's really useful. There's a lot of different pieces there. So the #1 most liked video is this app design challenge. And this was really one of my first videos. Yeah, it's just kind of, I don't know, I haven't really done any design challenges. I did one more, but that really tells me I should probably make some more if it's your most liked videos. So if you have a design challenge for me or something design wise that you'd like to see me make, that's gonna be my question to you. Would you leave that in the comments? What do you want to see me design on this channel? The next video is my 50 tips in 50 minutes video. And this was the video I made when I passed 50 subscribers. So just to think about, I've had 100 times more subscribers since that video. That was really a big milestone for me. I know my goal was to get 1,000 subscribers in a year, and I did that in 6 months. And now we're at 5,000 at about that year and a half points. That's really exciting. I loved my designing, or my For Beginners, Thunkable Basics for Beginners series. So that was my 3rd video. And then you get into a lot of my Firebase videos here. We have the saving to the real-time database, coming up with your sign-in process, reading from the real-time database, and then advanced sign-in techniques. I've really enjoyed doing Firebase projects. I really want to get into some of the Airtable stuff. So I plan on, I really need to learn that, because a lot of my clients are using that. So be expecting some of those videos in the coming days. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and change out that battery. All right, I'm back. And I realized my voice probably sounds super deep right now because it's really early in the morning. So I apologize if I'm not inflecting enough, but my voice is always really deep in the morning. Back to it. So we talked about Firebase, all those videos. Oh, an app to remember. So this one was the one where I like started off all serious and saying something really concerning that I couldn't remember how to do things. And then I made that app. I actually have an updated version of that app, of that video. I'll link that as well in the description. The login design challenge, that was the 2nd design challenge I did. And the web API basics, that was the #9 most liked video. And that'll be cool. I haven't done too many API videos on this channel yet. But this one, we're about to dive into the YouTube data API to make this app. So that one will come out in a few weeks. So links for all of these videos will be in the description if you want to check those out. And one thing I have learned is that 77% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you want to help out the channel, you want to continue to help me grow and continue to help me make more videos for you, then please consider subscribing. I'll have a little button right over here. All you have to do to subscribe is click on that and you'll be primed and ready to watch the rest of my videos. So thanks again for clicking that button and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.